Experience a high-intensity training session with the U.S. Marines at Camp Lejeune, one of the premier Marine Corps bases in the country. On this dedicated range day, participants will engage in rigorous firearms training, honing their marksmanship and tactical skills.
All right, that first relay! Deliberate load.
The focus of the day will be on full auto fire, where Marines practice handling and controlling automatic firearms in a controlled environment.
Shooters, stand by. Threat! Stand still. Shooters, stand by. Threat! Set up for that one shot.
This training is designed to enhance proficiency, accuracy, and confidence in using these advanced weapons. Whether you're a Marine or a firearms enthusiast, this event provides an unparalleled opportunity to witness and participate in elite military training operations.
Same drill. Step on.